Hi everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into an exciting comparison between two of the latest and most advanced smartwatches on the market, the Garmin Venu 3 and the Huawei Watch GT 4. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, a tech lover, or just someone looking to upgrade their wristwear, this video is for you. We'll be exploring everything from design and display quality to fitness tracking features and battery life. How do these watches stack up in terms of performance and usability? Which one offers better value for your money? If you want more information about these smartwatches, check out the links in the description below. By the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to make an informed decision. So, if you're ready to find out which smartwatch is the perfect fit for your lifestyle. First up, design and display. The Garmin Venu 3 has a sleek, modern look with a 1.4-inch AMOLED display. It's got a high resolution of 454 by 454 pixels and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which is great for scratch resistance. You can choose between two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, and it comes in multiple color options. The stainless steel bezel really adds a premium touch. On the other hand, the Huawei Watch GT 4 is also a stunner. It comes in various materials and colorways. The 46mm model with a stainless steel strap has a look reminiscent of an analog dive watch. Its big AMOLED screen is vibrant and smooth, although it's not as bright as some competitors. But with 600 nits of brightness, it's more than enough for most situations. Next, let's talk about interactive features. The Huawei Watch GT 4 also includes built-in microphones and speakers. You can take calls directly from the watch, and the Huawei Health app provides comprehensive info on your workouts and sleep. Just be careful. The speaker is quite loud, which can be a bit embarrassing in quiet settings. The Garmin Venu 3 is pretty impressive here. It has a microphone and speakers, so you can take phone calls and get audio alerts right from your wrist. It also integrates well with various apps, including the Ring doorbell app, which is super handy. Now, on to health and fitness tracking. The Garmin Venu 3 really shines here. It offers advanced sleep tracking, including nap detection, all-day heart rate tracking, stress scores, HRV measurements, and even respiration tracking. It also has unique metrics for wheelchair users, which is a great addition. The Huawei Watch GT 4 isn't far behind. Its TrueScene 5.5 Plus algorithm ensures accurate heart rate tracking, and the GPS performance is top-notch, comparable to the best smartwatches out there. True sleep tracking is detailed and accurate, and it supports a wide range of workout profiles. Battery life is another big factor. The Garmin Venu 3 boasts up to 2 weeks on a single charge, which is fantastic. You won't need to worry about recharging it frequently. The Huawei Watch GT 4 also impresses with up to 14 days of battery life. During testing, it used between 5 and 10% per day, depending on GPS usage, so it's reliable for extended periods. Here's where things get interesting. The Huawei Watch GT 4, however, has some limitations due to app compatibility issues. It doesn't support popular apps like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or Spotify, although Strava is supported. You'll need to download the Huawei Health app via your browser, which can be a hassle. The Garmin Venu 3 supports a wide range of apps, including offline Spotify playlists, contactless payments, and Bluetooth headphone connectivity. It even has a flashlight mode, which can be quite useful. In terms of performance and usability, both watches do well. The Garmin Venu 3 offers detailed insights and actionable advice across various health and fitness metrics. It's versatile and stylish, making it a great choice for many users. The Huawei Watch GT 4 provides accurate sleep and workout metrics, and its performance is solid overall. However, its GPS tracking does take longer to connect compared to competitors, which can be a minor inconvenience. So, which watch is right for you? If you're looking for a smartwatch with advanced health tracking, extensive app compatibility, and a sleek design, the Garmin Venu 3 is a top contender. Its comprehensive features and extended battery life make it a great choice. And this is the comparison between Garmin Venu 3 and Huawei Watch GT 4. If you're interested in either of these smartwatches, check out the links in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.